guys, it's Becky. Welcome back to my channel and another gift idea video for you guys. If you don't know already, every Christmas, Easter, and birthday for my girls, I do a video showing you what we're giving them for those different occasions. My Christmas series is, well, I was gonna say it's my biggest. I think my Easter basket videos are usually the most popular, but the girls' birthdays come right after Christmas. One's in January, one is in February. It just so happened that this past year, I got all of my soon-to-be 17-year-old daughter's birthday gifts done before Christmas, so I was able to share her birthday video with you before Christmas. But my youngest daughter, whose birthday is in January, I had not finalized all the things I was going to get her, and then one of the things hadn't come in yet, so I couldn't film the video yet, and people were asking like, where is it, where is it? So that's what I'm going to be sharing with you guys today, what we are giving our soon-to-be 11-year-old daughter for her birthday. She has wanted a Nintendo Switch for quite a while, and she actually wanted one last year, and we didn't get one just because I wanted to wait and see. We already have so many gaming systems. We have a PS3, we have a PS4, we have a PS5, we have a Wii, we have a Wii U. It had come out and she was all excited about it back in 2019. And I was like, well, let's just wait and see. So she still wanted one even a year later. And so we did actually get her the Switch, and it came with a Mario Kart 8 full game download with it. That's her big gift for her birthday, and everything else is a lot smaller and a lot more affordable. So the next thing I got her, and again, if you have seen my videos and you know anything about my girls, you know they're both very, very crafty, very artsy. They both love to draw and do things with their hands. And they have so many markers. If you saw the gift video I did for her, she got like the 200 set of Ohuhu alcohol-based art markers. She doesn't technically need any more of markers like that, but these are actually a little bit special. I got these from Amazon. They are the outline pens. So basically they are markers, but when you use them, the outline dries a different color than the inside. So it's not like you're having to go through and like write something or draw something and then follow it up with a marker on the outside to change the color. It does that on its own automatically. It's actually really neat. There's 12 of those in this kit, very affordable, and I think it's a great gift, even for somebody who, like I said, has tons of other markers. They probably don't have something that does this, so these are really neat. Also in the kind of crafty category, what gift video would it be if I didn't talk about Klutz? You guys know we love Klutz books around here. They have so many different varieties of books for all different ages, and I thought this one was really neat. This is the Klutz Melt and Mold Jewelry Kit. So basically everything you need is in the box in the back, and then you have the instruction manual in the front. But it's really neat because you get these little wax melts, and then you put them in the different little molds, and it pops out to make all this different jewelry that are like flowers and little sayings. There's feathers, and you can make earrings and all different types of neat stuff. So I thought she'd really like that, and it's a really fun way for her to create something, but then she actually can wear it after she makes it. And speaking of jewelry, again, if you know my family at all, you know that we have a bird, which is pretty much my oldest daughter's bird. We have a dog, which is everybody's dog. And then we have the guinea pig, which used to kind of be both girls' guinea pig, and then once my oldest daughter got the bird, she was kind of like, meh. So my youngest daughter is basically the full-time mother for the guinea pig. And I cannot, I mean, to say that she's obsessed with this guinea pig would be an understatement. She loves that guinea pig so much. She sleeps in her room all the time. She's carrying her all over the house. She's just all the time, they're together. So anything that would be related to our guinea pig being would be the perfect gift. And like any mother, what mother doesn't want to wear something that has their child's face on it? And so I thought it'd be really cute to get her this little necklace. This is actually made by Shutterfly. That's what took the longest to get here. They took forever to send it. But basically it's this little silver necklace, and on the little pendant down there is a picture, if you can tell, of our little guinea pig. So I think, honestly, of all the stuff, she might even like that more than the Switch. I don't know. We'll have to see, but I think she'll be really excited about that. Definitely a unique gift, and Shutterfly is always having percentages off and things like that. I don't know if places like Walgreens do jewelry or not, but pretty much any of those photo places you can get custom things like that made out of, you know, kids or people or pets or whatever. And she's got some guinea pig earrings that I got her, I don't know if it was her birthday last year, but they're bean earrings as well. So now she's gonna have the earrings and the necklace. Okay, and the last thing, again, if you know anything about me or my girls, we are obsessed with anything that is fuzzy, fluffy, soft, cozy, warm. Just, I mean, we have so many blankets and different things. And my oldest daughter had gotten I actually had seen it on Amazon. I told my mom about it. My mom got it for my oldest. It's like this really thick, cozy, oversized, it's not a robe exactly, it's open in the front, but it's like a big oversized jacket that you would wear in the house. And my youngest daughter was obsessed with it, and because I got one as well. After I saw my oldest daughter's, I got one for me, and my youngest was like, well, I want one, and so I got her one for her birthday. And this is the color that I got her, and it's so hard to see on like just me holding it up what it is, but this is a jacket. This is like the thickest, softest, coziest. It's got a hood. It is so warm, and I cannot tell you how amazing this thing is. Like I said, my oldest daughter has one, I have one, and now she has one, and they came from Amazon. I think it's around $40. They have different patterns and colors and things like that, but I have felt bad for the last few weeks because every time she's seen me or my oldest wearing ours, she's been like, I want one. I'm like, I wish I could tell her you got one for your birthday. Just wait a little bit longer, it's coming. But she is getting that for her birthday, and she is going to love it. So those are her gifts for her birthday this year. Like I said, she's turning 11. Each girl got 5 things. And I think I try to keep it as balanced as possible as far as how much we spend. That's not always possible, but I try to do that when I can. And this year in particular, I think it worked out really well since both girls got one pricier item and then several kind of less expensive things. I think it worked out pretty well. So I love it when that happens. It just makes me feel better in my mind to know that even though I didn't have to keep it exactly even, I still kind of came in right around the same price for both girls. So I hope this gives you guys some ideas of things to get the girls, kids in your life. If you need even more gift idea videos, I will link my gift idea playlist for you guys. There are so many videos in that playlist, so many ideas for Christmas, birthdays, Easter, tons of ideas in that playlist. So make sure you check it out if you need more gift ideas. Easter's coming up, Valentine's Day is coming up, so definitely check out that playlist. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you head out, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.